Well, the new equipment room is pretty exciting. This was an endeavor that we took to modernize our equipment inventory here at Toronto Film School. And to do so, we bought the latest and greatest equipment here at the school. These cameras, such as the RE Mini LF, are the type of cameras that you will see on major motion pictures, major television shows.
We've managed to form crucial collaborations with Sony Canada that enables our students to be able to use the latest Sony equipment.
They have outfitted us with over 50 cameras in-house for students to use for their particular projects. The FX3 Sony, of course, famously shot Disney's The Creator multi-million dollar budget film. And of course, as you move forward into the program, you'll have access to the FX6 Sony, which I can't say enough about. Many features have been shot with this. I know Netflix has shot some documentaries with it. The FX6 is used a lot in live entertainment as well.
Another thing that's exciting was to be able to work with a new generation of LED lighting that is now made by companies like Aperture and Amaran, as well as Aeroflex. We also have a wide variety of the legacy tungsten lamps made by ARRI, the Fresnel fixtures that are still tools that are used in our industry. So students will be trained both on legacy equipment, but also the newer, more sustainable LED equipment, which is becoming more and more the norm. And again, we have the ARRI Sky Panel here, which is one of their offerings on the LED side.
One of the most surprising things I learned when using the new equipment is how easy it is, especially for the lights. One click on my phone and it turned on the light. Another click on my phone and it was flashing the light. The process is pretty easygoing. You type in everything that you need, send it into the equipment room, and day of you go and pick it up and it's all ready and packed up to go for you. And the equipment guys are fantastic here. They even explain stuff very well if you're unsure about something. Using the same equipment as industry professionals is really inspiring. There's a comfort there as well, knowing that I know this equipment, and going out into the real world and finding a career and a job is comforting and just overall really great.